Hello everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning and Restoration Services. Today I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of having tile in your house. Before you purchase your tile floor, you want to know a little bit about the benefits and the disadvantage of having tile floors in your house. And I'm going to be especially talking about ceramic tile floors and natural stone floors. Number one pro about having tiles in your house is that it's extremely easy to maintain. You just need a mop and a product, a cleaning agent to mix and clean your floors. It cleans extremely easy compared to the other flooring. Number two is that it's water resistant. If you have the tile installed properly, you can have a flood spill bucket. The water won't go between the grout lines. You shouldn't have any issues with water. Number three is durable. Tile by its nature is hard, and you can have tile installed for many years and you won't have any issues. But always remember that if you drop something, since tile is hard, it could break one tile. Number four is that it's chemical resistant, and I'm talking about especially ceramic tile. It's a hard tile. You can basically use anything on it, but I highly recommend that if you're cleaning, to clean with a neutral cleaner. If you're dealing with a natural stone, make sure you read the label, and whatever product you're using is designed to be used on natural stone. Now I want to talk about the cons. The number one and the most important is that tile is slippery. Remember, if you have wet tile, you can have an accident, and don't forget, tile is hard. If you hit your tile, you won't forget it. Number two of the cons is that it's extremely difficult to maintain the grout lines. Grout lines are very hard to clean up. Most of the time you have to scrub that by hand or hire a professional to come in and steam clean those and get them clean for you. Number three of the cons is cost. For some people, tile is affordable. It's not extremely crazy expensive, but if you compare tile with some other options, let's say with carpeting, you can find carpeting much cheaper than tile. Number four is the temperature. Tile will adapt to the environment. If it's cold outside, inside of your house, if you have tile, it will be extremely cold. That's why, especially in cold weathers, you won't find tile in bedrooms most likely. If you live in a warm weather, that tile will get warm inside, but if you have your AC running, that tile will be cold. But remember, the tile will adapt to the weather outside. But those are my 4 pros and 4 cons about tile for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, please leave your comment on this video. Thank you.